Hey guys, happy Friday. I wanted to take you through today's agenda so that you know exactly what's expected of you, and hopefully we can avoid anybody not doing things correctly. So in the agenda, you're going to see this link to this video. It's going to go there. I'm making it right now, so I can't link it. And then you are going to see that I'm asking you to sign in via the class link and join code below. I'll show you where to find that. It's actually in the what we call the landing page underneath what you see. And then you're going to read this story called The Poison Tree and do the guided reading and assessment questions that go with it. But I will try to take you through that process in a way that makes sense to you so that you can see how everything works. So the first thing is you're going to go to today's agenda, which you already are here because you're watching this video, but you're going to scroll down. And at the bottom here, it'll say 5th hour Common Lit class link and 6th hour Common Lit class link. Obviously, please be sure that you join the correct class so that your scores for what you do today go into my correct gradebook and so that I can see that you've actually done it. So when you click the link, it's going to move you over to the website Common Link, and it's going to ask you to sign up with Common Lit. So you're going to put your information in there, and it's going to generate your username for you. It won't let you change it. So it's going to be your first name and last name. So you'll have to remember that. You're in 9th grade. Use your school email address. There's no other reason to do that. And then use your school password, right? So like mine auto-populated with my email password there, and so I would make that happen. So let me do this. Hopefully that's right. It doesn't look like it is. And set up your account based on that. So when you hit set up your account, it's going to take you directly to our class page, and I'll show you what that looks like in just a moment. Okay, this is the teacher page because I'm not logged in as a student, I'm logged in as myself, but you'll see something very, very similar where you see this A Poison Tree, and it tells you that it is due tomorrow, and tells you that somebody already looked at it and started it and didn't finish. Tells me that because I'm the teacher. Yours won't show up that way. But when you click on it, it's going to say view text. Now, when you do this, let's see if I can pull this over. When you do this, it's going to pop up a thing that says that your teacher has set it to guided reading mode. And what will actually happen is it's only going to give you this first little stanza. And once you get to this Q1, you're going to click on it. And it's going to pop up with this question on the right-hand side. And you'll need to answer that question correctly, and then once you do, it'll open up the next set of text on the left. So you'll answer all 3 of those questions there. Okay, so once you've done the guided reading for A Poison Tree, it's going to ask you, do you want to take the assessment? I'm making you take it. So choose yes. And for the assessment then, there are 1, 2, 3 multiple choice questions, 4, and then 1 short answer question. So answer those 4 multiple choices and the short answer, and then you will be able to submit. Do make sure that you hit submit at the end of it. That's the only way I will know that you've done it. And then you can go back to your dashboard and see your assignments. And you will see there that then you're going to go back and do this paired text, which is The Roof of Leaves. So both these stories are about revenge, and so hopefully as you read them, you see kind of where they're similar. So it's the same process with The Roof of Leaves. You're going to go through, you'll do the guided reading questions as you read. It will then say, do you want to take the assessment? Please choose yes. Do the assessment questions, including the short answer that is there, and then make sure that you hit submit. So again, being totally realistic, between the poem and the short story and the questions that follow, I think that you'll have some time at the end of class to do some other work that you need to do, or to work quietly on something in order to learn something new. So please do make sure that you're signed in to Common Lit, first of all, because if you're not signed in, I'm not going to know that you did it, and then we're going to have a weird discussion about why your work is not submitted. So it'll show you in the upper right-hand corner that your name is there and that you're logged in. Make sure that's true. And then go through and do the assignments and hit submit after you take the assessment. Okay, and that is all. I hope you guys have a great weekend. Can't wait to talk about some theories with Cask of Amontillado next week.